I'm Pat Barkman, and I'm here to talk about composting today. These are my compost heaps beyond, and my wheelbarrow. Now let me tell you about my wheelbarrow. It has, as you see, a strainer here that contains all the little tools that I have that need to be used in the garden, and any garbage or things that don't go into the compost. But in here I have debris that needs to be composted, as well as bleach for my clippers when I'm deadheading the peonies, coffee grounds, paper to put under the holes that you'll see in the tarps, and branches for the brush pile. So let's go over to the compost heap. I have to do a little sorting here, but sorting is always good therapy. And I can take this nice little gadget that has strong metal, but a nice strong plastic that wraps around it, and just dump it onto the compost. You can put paper in here, and then I have to mix the green with the red, the green with the brown leaves that are beyond. Now you can see that the trees are in here where I keep the compost. It's important to keep the leaves away from the trees so that the cambium layer, which is what makes the flow up the tree and the photosynthesis come down the tree, needs to have breathing room at the bottom. So that has to be taken away from there. But as you can see, I have a lot of deciduous trees around here, and I need to get rid of all these leaves. So a structure really isn't practical for me. In other words, I can't have a compost bin that you turn. Besides that, I'm 78, and loading the compost up is hard, whereas dragging it over or just pitching it over with my pitchfork is far easier. Now I need to cover all that green with the leaves. Brown layer, green layer, brown layer, green layer, so that the carbon from the leaves and the nitrogen from the green get mixed in together, and then it starts to generate heat. May, June, the grass clippings especially, help to start the compost, and it will get up to over 100 degrees, which then kills the grass seed and the other weed seeds, and I can wrap it up with the tarp like this to keep the heat in. But as you can see, the animals make little holes in the tarp here, and when those holes are at the bottom of the tarp, where the earth is in touch with it, the tree roots grow up and in, and in a month you can have a mound like this of tree roots. So it's important that you cover all those areas. There's a tree root right there that's trying to get up in. And so you can cover those with any kind of magazine or paper that you get in the mail, and put it under where the roots are. It's also where the earthworms love to be, because they're eating that new compost, and where the slugs are. So the slugs, I'm afraid I don't like very much, because they make holes in my garden, in my leaves. So I stop them. And then when this is all covered up, the heat stays inside, and the brown makes it kind of tidy, and the rain, if I do it right, if I make it like a haystack, the rain tumbles off. So let's see if we can get all of this packaged up and made so that it's one continuous slope and we'll tuck the bottom part here in and under so that there's no puddles that develop and attract mosquitoes. And as you get mosquito larvae, you see those little wigglers, and you know you're going to get bitten the next time you come to the compost. So that's my story for today. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please press like. Bye-bye.